So for her, she'd wanted to do this for a long time. In 2019, she partnered with a Who. She realized she can't build this software, especially while she's so busy. She probably couldn't have built the software anyways, because that's just not her skill set. So she partnered with a guy. He built Level Up Score. Awesome. But she's still too busy. So for the next 5 years, she just lets it sit on the shelf. This phenomenal tool that could change the industry is sitting on the shelf, and no one's using it because she's busy in her job. And so at the beginning of 2024, last year, seeing if there's some legs to this thing, I'm going to start trying to get it out there. So in the U.S., there's 50,000 credit repair companies. I actually wish I had a picture. Well, I'm glad I'm on my phone. Actually, I could probably show you guys something. I probably will. But anyways, so there's 50,000 of these credit repair companies in the United States. And the credit repair companies are really the ones who serve the individual. The individual goes to these credit repair companies to get help with their credit. So she built her software to not go to the individual necessarily, but to go to B2B. She wants to go to the credit repair companies who serve the individual, right? And so what she did was she went to these credit repair companies and called them one at a time, the ones in her local area. Sorry, I know it's a little... It might be me.
The microphone's ringing.
Yeah. So, and it might be me. But anyways, yeah, we'll get it. So during Q1 of last year, 2024, she cold called these credit repair companies. She called 10 of them.
Wow. Explained
Level Up Score to them. Said, this is the software. This is what it does. And 10 out of 10, they all said, this is incredible. We would love to use this for our clients. We're going to get it. Check. Yeah.
Okay.
They said, we would love to use this for our clients. And so then they would create a little rev share deal. Every time that they would let their clients use the software and get a data output, they'd get some money and she'd get some money, right? And so she had 10 people using it, 10 of these businesses using it by the end of Q1 of last year. That's when she joined us, learned Frame Floor Focus. And basically what happened was we told her, Alyssa, you need to set an impossible goal. Because right now you're operating linearly and you're gonna lose a lot of time. You're gonna lose decades on your path. Your path's not powerful enough to get you where you're trying to go. Your path's not powerful enough to scale Level Up Score. And so we told her, set an impossible goal and let that shape your path. And so she said, I'm going to go for 100 of these companies using my software in 90 days. And we told her, she found out herself that that was not an impossible goal. She found out herself that that was a false goal. She found out, why? Because it kept her on the same path. She thought I could just cold call another 90 of them, right? But that's not how it works, right? And so I said, you need a bigger goal that forces you to find something different. And so she said, okay, Ben, I'm going to go for 1,000 of these companies using the software in 90 days. Now she doesn't know the path. And this is a super important point that I learned from Dan, who I wrote 3 books with. Most people won't set a goal unless they think that unless they have the confidence that they can achieve it, right? And so most people won't set a goal because they said, I don't know if I can accomplish it. So why would I set that? Because I don't know if I can do it. That's not the point of a goal. The point of a goal is to allow you to look at what you're doing, to analyze your path, and to find better paths. The goal is a tool. It's not something to be emotionally attached to. It's not something to define yourself by. It is a tool for looking at the present, for being honest about your current path, and then for strategically finding better paths. Goals are tools. People don't set huge goals because they say, I don't know if I can do it, so why would I set a goal I don't believe in? You don't need to believe in it yet. You'll get there, right? You don't need to believe in it yet. Right now, let's just use it as a tool to examine what you're doing. So she did that.